There are so many ways to organize this big concept of psychology. But back in 2014, the American Psychological Association, also known as the APA, decided that there were five pillars that they would like to see all general psychology courses teach and structure their courses around. So, who am I to argue with the American Psychological Association? So, make sure you know these five pillars or general areas of psychology today. The first is biological. Now, in the last few decades, we've learned a lot about how your body and your brain not just relate to physical issues and illness, but also mental health, who you are, why we do the things we do. So there's a whole area of psychology that talks a lot about neuroscience, about consciousness, and it can include a lot of different things, some of which we'll explore in this course. The second pillar is cognitive. Now, cognition sometimes is a synonym for thought, but cognitive psychology includes more than that. Yes, cognitive psychology is about the way you think, but it also includes concepts like memory and perception, the way you perceive the world around you. The third pillar is development. Now, there are whole classes on developmental psychology, but it's important enough that we want to make sure we cover it in a general psychology course as well. So you'll learn about different theories about how we develop throughout the lifespan, and that's prenatal development before we're even born, all the way up until the end of our lifespan, whenever that may be. And then the fourth pillar is social and personality. It's actually two things. Pet peeve when we have one pillar that's made up of two things. But that's what the APA has decided. Pillar number 4 is social and personality. So this pillar includes social influence concepts like conformity, discrimination, prejudice, and it also includes theories about our personalities, why we are the way we are. And then finally, pillar 5 has to do with mental and physical health. So this is where you get into abnormal psychology, mental illness, classifying disorders, but also the therapies that are used to treat and prevent them. So make sure you know those 5 pillars: biological, cognitive, developmental, social and personality, and then also mental and physical